Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer SEO workflows from Asana to ClickUp, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Asana account. Navigate to the project that contains your SEO workflows. Click on the project's name to open it. Next, select the list view for a comprehensive overview of tasks. Review all tasks within the project to ensure you capture everything necessary. Open a separate document to jot down the key details of each task. Copy the task names along with their descriptions from Asana. Include any custom fields or tags associated with each task. Take note of the due dates and assign team members, if applicable. Once you've documented all relevant information from Asana, log into your ClickUp account. Create a new space specifically for your SEO workflows. Within that space, set up a new folder titled SEO Workflows. Click on the plus new list option to begin creating a new list for your. Name this list appropriately to reflect the original Asana project. Now, start adding tasks individually into ClickUp. Paste the task names and descriptions from your document into the corresponding fields. Assign due dates and team members based on the information you gathered from Asana. For custom fields, ClickUp allows you to create and customize fields per your requirements. Make sure to recreate any tags to maintain organization. Once all tasks have been added, review your list for accuracy and completeness. Adjust the order of tasks as necessary to reflect your workflow. Consider using ClickUp's features like priorities or statuses to enhance task management. Utilize the ClickUp calendar view to help visualize deadlines. Ensure that team members are notified about their tasks after transfer. Lastly, double-check all integrations or automations that need to be established post-migration. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer your SEO workflows from Asana to ClickUp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.